this video I'm gonna show you how to show pop-up message with a Snackbar. For a Snackbar, let's make another button. Let's choose an ID for our button and also change the text. Now let's go to the main activity. Let's write another object. And now let's make the set on click listener. And here at the first we have to take the root of our content, root of our activity. After that, let's make the snack bar dot make. The first one is read, the second one is message, for example hello, and the third one is the time of the snack bar dot show. Now let's run our program and see it. Let's click the send message with snack bar. The snack bar will be appear. Let's send the message with toast. The toast will be appear.